Do you want to earn multiple cryptocurrencies every day? Here we will review a platform where you can earn 5 different cryptos daily. The platform that we are going to review is Betfury. But before creating an account, you must read their terms and conditions because some countries don't allow these kinds of platforms. We will provide the link to the terms and conditions in our description. If everything is good, you can now sign up at their main website or use our referral link in the description. In Betfury, you can also collect free crypto every hour, and there's also a Fury wheel where you will have a chance to win different crypto every 12 hours. Staking in Betfury is a unique system to earn passive income. It's easy because the platform's profit is available by having only 100 BFG tokens in your account. Every platform user can receive daily payouts in 5 different cryptos just for keeping tokens on the account. Every day, the staking pool releases 3% of the total profit of the platform in each currency. The amount is distributed among all users who hold BFG tokens. The earning depends on how much crypto is in the staking pool and how many BFG tokens you hold in your account. For this example, currently, we have 24,160 BFG tokens. And here, you can see our staking payouts for this day. Now, let's try to withdraw our earnings. When you withdraw your earnings, you have 2 options, BFG tokens, or 5 different cryptocurrencies. For this video, we are going to withdraw it in BFG tokens. You can also use their calculator so that you will have an idea of your potential earnings depending on how many BFG tokens you hold. For example, if you are holding 100,000 BFG tokens, you can see your daily, monthly, quarterly, and yearly potential earnings here. The question now is where you can get BFG tokens. To get BFG tokens, there are 2 ways. The first one is through mining. The second one is by buying it through a crypto exchange platform. This video will show you how to buy BFG tokens through a decentralized exchange platform called BSwap. To buy tokens, first, you need to have a MetaMask wallet. Once you have a MetaMask wallet, make sure that your wallet is in the Binance Smart Chain network. We will provide the tutorial link in the description if you still didn't add the Binance Smart Chain network to your wallet. Next, we need to add the BFG token to our wallet. Here's how to do it. First, click the Import Tokens. And then, you need to input the correct token contract address. You can find the contract address on bscscan.com. On the BSC scan, search for BFG, and then you can find there the contract address. Copy and paste it into your MetaMask wallet, and it will auto-populate the remaining fields if the contract address is correct. Then click Add Custom Token, and you have successfully added BFG token. Now, let's go back to BSwap to buy some BFG tokens. But first, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. After connecting your MetaMask wallet, go to Trade and click Exchange. Since we have BNB in our account, we will use it to buy BFG tokens, but you can also use other coins to exchange in BFG if you want. Please note that you must have enough BNB in your wallet to cover the gas fees. Now let's try to buy BFG tokens using BNB. Once you are done inputting the amount you want to buy, click Swap and then click Confirm. The tokens will automatically be credited to your account if the transaction is successful. Now, let's deposit our BFG tokens in our Betfury account. First, you need to get your BFG address on your Betfury account. On your web page, click Wallet and select BFG on your Deposit tab. Copy your BFG address and paste it into your MetaMask wallet. Next, input the amount of BFG tokens that you want to deposit. Please note that the minimum amount of BFG to be deposited is 10 BFGs. Based on our experience, we received our deposit within 3 minutes. And that's how to stake and earn 5 different cryptocurrencies in Betfury. If you have questions, feel free to ask us in the comment section. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon so you will be updated in our future videos. Thank you for watching.